Hi, my name is Becca, and I have been working for Lila and Beads for about a year now. I have truly loved working here at Lila and Beads. It has given me so many opportunities that a lot of other jobs that I've had have not given me. I am a mom, and I love working. So it was really hard for me to take that step back for a little while after having my kids and not work. Daycare prices are just crazy high, so for me it wasn't really worth going back to work just to be paying for daycare. So I knew I wanted to work, but I didn't want to have to take my kids to daycare. I wanted to be around them all day still and have that time with them. So I went on Indeed and started looking for a job, and I found Lila and Beads, and I applied immediately. It definitely sounded too good to be true. So I interviewed and found out that it was exactly what I thought it was going to be, and it is too good to be true, and I just have loved every minute of working here. The one thing that is really cool about Lila and Beads is that everything is just homemade and personable. Every bead that you get from this company is made by someone like me who really sits down and takes the time to put effort into making these beads, which is just so cool. There are so many companies out there that don't do things handmade anymore or homemade, but Lila and Beads, every single bead you get from us is handmade, and it is also made to as close to perfection as we possibly can. Obviously there's going to be some errors there, but for the most part, everything that we make, we try to make it at the best possible quality that we can. We do a ton of different patterns. I think I am trained in like 4 or 5 different patterns, and that's not even all the ones that we do. Again, we take pride in the quality of work that we put out there, so if I find a broken bead while I'm beading, I throw that away. Or if for some reason the line, the thread, that cord we use goes over one of the beads, I actually just completely take apart that bead and redo it, because we want our items to be good quality for you. So really, this company has just been amazing in so many ways. I mean, it gives opportunities for people like me who want to be able to stay home with their kids but still want to be able to have that independence of being able to work. It gives me the opportunity to do that on my own terms, my own schedule. So I don't have to put in like 4 hours straight. I can put in some time here, some time there, and it's just been fantastic. It's something that really helps my mind stay sharp too. It's a very creative process. Keeps your hands going, keeps them moving. So it's really been an amazing opportunity to work for Lila and Beads. It's just a wholesome, wonderful company to work for, and I have thoroughly enjoyed this year that I've worked here with them, and I just cannot wait to see what's more in store for the next couple of years that I'll be here. So I really hope you guys enjoy our products. They are one of a kind and great quality.